So here, hi guys, good morning. It's a beautiful sunny day here in London in my garden. And I bought this fresh moringa from one of the Sri Lankan shops in London. And you can make it fresh. You can boil the moringa fresh, like a handful boil it in hot water and sieve it and drink it as tea. Moringa has a lot of health benefits, as we know. I'm going to try and do a live video on moringa. It's quite beautiful. So rather than we always popping all this Coke, Fanta, things like that, we can turn it into like a cold drink on a sunny day. You can drink it in the morning, dilute it out and drink it in the morning and drink it in the evening. I think you can also add cinnamon to it, so it helps a lot. So this is me drying it in the sun. See, it's so dry. You can even tell that it's so dry because when you press it, or when you try to press it, it just shatters, it crumbles from the leaf it was. It's now into it's almost turning into a smooth, can you see? So let's see, that's the leaf. So when you squeeze it or squash it, see, so it's quite dry. The sun is so hot, it's 31 degrees today. Very hot, very, very hot, but beautiful. We thank the Lord for a beautiful day. I'm not complaining. I rather prefer this to winter. I'm not complaining at all. So that's it. So when it dries, and I just crumble it as I squash it, and I press. What word do you use for it? So I squash everything. I'm going to just pack them in. Oh, the wind is come now. So I think I better take it in because it's well dried. So I'll just pack them in tight containers, seal them in airlock bags, and then keep them. It will last as long. You can put them in smoothies. You can also put them in stir fries Okay, you can make tea out of them. So that's moringa for you. A lovely plant from nature. It's wonderful. You can put some ice when you turn it into a tea, iced tea, and it will moringa iced tea. All right, guys, enjoy the sunny afternoon wherever you are. I'm sure there's nowhere in the world that is cold now, but enjoy your day. And we give God all the praise for a wonderful day. We praise Him for our lives. We praise Him for all He's been doing, because it's because of His mercy that we were not consumed last night. We woke up this morning blessed and anointed and strong, able to move our legs. And to those who lost families, we just want to say, may God comfort them, that all is well. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Shalom. So that's it in a container now. So I'm going to store it like that. So another video I'd like to do is about age-related, excuse me, moringa. As I know, you can put it in pap, you can put it in smoothies, you can turn it into tea, put ice, put cinnamon, you put ginger, and then you drink it together. But I'll do another video and we'll talk about age-related, whether children can have moringa. If you know anything about age and moringa, you can inbox. Well, when I say inbox, you can comment. Put in the comment section. All right, guys. All right, so my airtight container, all done, sealed. Hear the click, click, and click. Okay. Okay, the moringa tea. So I have this sieve. It's a friend, a Turkish colleague gave it to me. Very lovely girl. She gave this to me. And you know the dry moringa you put inside, and you can see, let's see, you can see the area, you can clip it. And then that's when you put all the pieces of moringa, dry moringas, and then you unclip it first. Then you put the dry leaves of moringa, then you clip it, it closes. Then you put hot water and put this and dip it inside and leave it. So you can see some floating, but it doesn't really matter. Most of it is inside this. So you see the color changes to moringa tea. Some people, you might want to have it chilled, put it in the fridge, but me, I like my warm and hot. So when I leave it there to sieve through, like between 3 to 4 minutes, if you like, you can leave it for longer. It doesn't really have a taste, but you know you're drinking something. So just be careful if you're taking blood pressure tablets, and then research shows that it can also, if taken together with some blood pressure tablets, like amlodipine, it can drop your blood pressure so low. So it's better to drink a moringa tea and give like over 6 hours apart before you can take your medication, okay? Or you take your medication in the morning and have your moringa in the evening. Is that okay? That's it. So I'm going to enjoy my moringa tea. It's quite powerful tea. It's rich in antioxidants as well. It's quite good and rich in iron as well. People put it in stir fries, but I use mine as tea. I bought it fresh and then I dried it in. Remember those days? Is it like 3 full days of wonderful hot sun? So mine dried very well. You can see it also in my video. And then turned into tea. All right, very refreshing. Have a good evening. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to follow, remember to share. Have a good evening, guys. Love you. Mwah.